काल इन्सिडेंट जालो तो खूब वायट आसा. काल इवनिंग जालो आनी म्हाका खबर नासली. म्हाका आयज सकाळी कळ्ळें म्हणून हांव येयली आतां. तिका GMCन एडमीट केला आनी खूब खूब म्हणल्यार खूब तिका हें लागलां, चावल्या तकलेचेर बी हें केलां आनी खूब अत्यंत वायट हें. एवरी टायम ते म्हाका हांगाच खूब प्रॉब्लम जाता. हे 2 बिल्डींग आसा पळय. लास्ट टायम बी कॉल केल्लो आनी हांवें गाडी 4-5 फावटी तरी गाडी धाडली, पूण जेन्ना ते गाडयेचो आवाज आयकता पळय तेन्ना ते पळटा. आतां 1 वर जालें आमी आसा PFA आनी आमी सगळीं आसा, पूण मेळोना. ते आयदर ते लेकान हें करता नाल्यार ते वयर वयता. सो खूब आनी तेजी बेबी बी आसा, ल्हान बेबी आसा ते म्हणजे. आनी हो एक फर्स्ट इन्सिडंट न्हू, हेजे पयलीं आनी एक धाकटे भुरग्याक बी चावलेले हें करून. PFA हांव तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केलें की आतां तुमी ताका म्हणल्यार ते म्हणटा स्टरलायज करतले, हें करतले आनी परत ह्याच जाग्यार हाडून सोडटा ते. सो PFA कडेन बी गाडी तेंचे प्लेस ना तांकां दवरपा आनी म्युन्सिपालिटी कडेन बी प्लेस ना.
She was also badly eaten, and some other girl also from there was badly eaten. This is recently 6 months back story. And a girl from here on top, on the 4th floor she stays, Deborah, she was also eaten very badly.
We are to walk from this place to go to the market. They are taking the sticks and they are going, and they are attacking especially ladies. And the pattern is that one this thing comes and then the others follows, that dogs. And they are biting so horribly, it become painful for people. So some authority should take some responsibilities. I know dogs are everywhere, so we don't like to kill them also.
Yeah, the incident which happened should not happen again to anyone over here, because all the residents, their lives are at risk. And I feel a solution should be taken. We should find some solution to end this. It should be a permanent solution, not that they're just taken to PFA and brought back. We need to find a solution, because we cannot see the residents living in fear like this.